So I'm new to the state of Washington, so of course me and my wife go to start seeing some of the sights, right? So we go to Seattle, start walking around, admiring all the skyscrapers, and want to go see the Space Needle, but there's a line all the way around the building pretty much. So we said we'll see that some other time and schedule it. Well, as we're walking around Seattle, I noticed all these little tents and canopies and tarps set up all over the place. To my curiosity, I walk up and I'm like, okay, it's like a homeless camp that they created for themselves. Kind of neat, right? Well, I talked to about 15, 16 other homeless people because Washington's got a huge program for them to be able to give them free housing and free food, free water, get them back on their feet, help them find jobs. And about 14 out of 15 of them tell me that they don't want that help. So I'm like, okay, maybe you don't want to be helped. When I ask them why, they're like, well, we can't do drugs if we're going to go ahead and have to be a part of these programs. And I'm like, but it's fantastic. You have your own house, your own stuff. They were more concerned with being able to do drugs than they were to be able to better their lives. And when you talk to a few of them, they're like, yeah, I have kids that do this, that, and the other, and they don't really talk to me anymore. I'm sitting here and I'm dumbfounded. I mean, my son were to do that to me, I would be immediately upset. You're not going to come see me, you're not going to come say hi, but I could genuinely understand why they would be doing this. So I start thinking, how can I help you if you don't want to help yourself? Well, I can start by teaching the younger generation that, this is what happens whenever you're acclimated to such an environment that your body needs a certain substance in order to survive. And this is how they choose to live because they need that substance. So coming from a family right now where what I call recoveries, my twin sister herself, is going through a process of treatment to be able to help herself because her drug of choice was methamphetamine. And through this process, I'm learning a lot about how exactly to help people in this situation. Because most of the time, all that needs to happen is then you to reach out and touch them, you to essentially put it in ways where you can give them this help to help better their lives, to bring their families back together.